This is Health and Medicine.
Each year, some 4,000 infants die in the U.S. from issues that are often preventable. Now, local officials in Brooklyn have teamed up in a campaign to try and build awareness about risk factors. Health reporter Aaron Billups has the story.
Blankets out. Your child does not need a blanket to keep warm.
Actually, the American Academy of Pediatrics says there should be nothing in the crib with infants, not plush toys or even monitors. As the head of Delta Children's Furniture demonstrated at Brooklyn Borough Hall, even mobiles can be dangerous.
The second the baby is starting to get up, starting to move around, this becomes from a nice little toy to a danger.
Together with Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams and Assistant Health Commissioner Dr. Aletha Maybank, they're trying to get the word out about infant sleep safety.
We want to educate parents that simple items can endanger their child.
Another major risk for babies, bed sharing.
We can do room sharing in which the crib is in the room, but not bed sharing, because there's just that risk of not only is there SIDS, but there's also the risk of other sleep-related injuries such as suffocation and somebody rolling over on that child, and that is completely preventable.
According to the latest New York City numbers, 4 babies died of SIDS in 2012, with another 42 sleep-related deaths in 2011.
It's difficult because she's right now, like, once they come out of the hospital, all they want is the warmth of their mother.
Evelyn Rendon's 1-year-old daughter, Isabella, has been sleeping with her up until now, but hers will be one of 400 families to receive a free Delta crib through the Sleep Safe campaign.
She has to get used to sleeping alone.
Infants are at risk for SIDS, or sudden infant death syndrome, when they're less than a year old, with the highest risk being between 0 and 4 months. But taking precautions really does make a difference, especially placing the baby on their back before they settle into sleep.
It's tremendously helped bring down SIDS and deaths related to other sleep-related injuries.
For more information, visit ny1.com/health. Aaron Billups, New York 1.
That is it for this half.